When it comes to online marketing, you must know who your ideal target audience is. A marketing plan is well executed when you know whom to target and who are the people who are going to see your ads and your marketing content. Your target audience can be anyone, like people between the age of 35 and 50. Your target audience can be people living in a city or 15 miles around your business location. Your target audience can be people with a high income if you sell luxury items, or it can be people with an average or low income. It can be homeowners, it can be people with certain interest and taste. It can also be gender specific if your business sells such products. So to sum up, your target audience can be anyone who can be your potential buyers now or in the near future. And once you have this sorted, you can create your marketing plan around it. So your ads and marketing content can be seen by these users when they search it on Google or while they are on social media. Always remember that your ideal customers are searching for you or the products or services that your business sells. They are constantly shopping for best offers and something that is good for them. When you advertise and promote your business to these segment of audience who you know could potentially buy from you, the returns you get on your marketing budget will always be high and profitable. If you like this video, share it with your business friends and follow us at Marketing with LeadsChief for more marketing tips and advice.